Bye-bye guys. Today we're in
The grass.
I'm sitting in the garden. Oh no.
Na-conscious.
Yo, can you sit like this? Who is touching grass for the first time?
You.
Smile first.
Smile first. Big smile.
Wait.
Tapos na bang mag-vlog? Yan nga, nagbo-vlog.
Bye-bye guys. See you in part 2. Hi, part 2 guys. I'm thirsty.
Can you drink while you're laughing?
Sa likod mo lang ako, te.
Don't mind somebody laughing. Oh. Part 3. I'm gonna relax. Guys. Guys, part 4 I'm hungry.
Sid.
What?
Oh, ayaw ba yung nasa atin? Dinalabas? Ha? Eh, dapat dito tinabi sa bulaklak. O, nakabaong ba yan? Ba't yun yung isa? Ayaw pa yung dalawa.
May ang charge nga. Ayan, no, tapos na yung mask.
Nahanap ko nga.
What
Oo
are
nga
you
naman,
playing?
baka wala pa.
Ninong, what are you playing?
Communion na, communion. Ay, hindi. Nagpapap...
Bye-bye guys.